Hi everybody, this is my little precious Indian ringneck, and he is molting right now, so he is shedding feathers like crazy. And I just wanted to show you guys something. Look how thin his feathers are right now. That's what it looks like. Yeah, and you're super friendly. You nip me every now and then, but yeah, look at what it looks like inside. I think that's just amazing. Oh, there goes one. Yeah, have to give him a really super duper good diet while he's going through this molting stage. Because, I mean, there are feathers everywhere. I'm constantly getting feathers up off the floor, and yeah, look. He loves this. Yeah, you love this. You can't get to this area. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See right there? Yeah. What you doing, bud? I'm just rubbing, trying to help you. I know. I think they do this twice a year, and they shed so many feathers. Even his long feathers are shedding. See the little blue ones coming in? Those will be longer than these. See, there's one. That should be coming out soon. These little fluffy white ones are underneath his pretty coat. Sorry about that, bud. So he cleans himself. He'll get them real good. Right? You want me to rub you? Is that what you want? Okay. Okay. Does that feel good? Does that feel real good? Yeah. I know. He loves to get his neck and his head rubbed. And you're only supposed to rub their heads and their neck. Otherwise, they start to have behavioral issues, because that's part of a mating thing. So it's better to leave that alone. Right? Yes, everybody's barking. Yeah. The maintenance people, the landscapers are still here, cutting the grass. And underneath right here is his ear, and it's a little hole underneath the feathers. But look at how these are his colors around his neck. Isn't that cool? It's like they're white underneath and then colors at the end. Let's see if I can zoom in better. He's a male because he has these dark markings around his face, and then it's like a orangish purple blue color around the back. A female doesn't have that. So when we found him, we thought he was a girl and named him Precious because he had no color, and then he molted and got his coloring and his black around his face, and we realized that she was a he. Yes. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.